right, YouTube, guess what? We are out here with the legend, local legend, Chicago angler Jesus 312 on YouTube and on Instagram. We're gonna try to get some smallmouth bass, Chicago, Illinois. It's a beautiful spring night. Let's get it. Just had a largemouth right here chasing my crankbait like crazy. We're trying to do a figure eight on him right now. Dude, I got a fish right here. He keeps following me. Keep doing a figure eight on him. See him right there? He's a largemouth. He keeps coming around. He's so interested, dude. I just have that perch crankbait I threw on. Dude, if he hits this. Dude, this will be a total reaction strike. Where's he going? Oh, come on. He was so in the hunt, dude. Do you still see him? I don't even know if I see him anymore. He was so into it, I have to be able to get him to go again. Ah, man, I had that guy triggered so much. He was just chilling there, man. Like, he was swimming by and I started bouncing off the wall. Oh, got him. I knew it, man. He was just too triggered. That was so beautiful. That was one of my most prettiest strikes I've ever got. How he followed it like that? It's really, do you have pliers? It's really deep in there. Oh, man. Here, I'll take this. I'm sorry. Well, we got one, guys, but he's bleeding like crazy. Dude, that was some amazing stuff, though. He was just chasing it like that. I'm sorry. Thank you. See, he's not hooked bad. Poor guy. Well, beautiful. Lake Michigan, Chicago, Illinois. Out here with Jesus 312. Gonna go in for the release. That was beautiful.
That was great. All right.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for us. Chicago, Illinois, Lake Michigan. Our quest for some smallmouth bass today. We ended up getting one largemouth, had a lot of follows. Jesus 312.
Alright guys, good night.
Be sure to give them a follow on Instagram and YouTube. Also don't forget to snag that like button. Be sure to subscribe and we'll see you again very soon with another geofishing exclusive.